Hey, are you sick of being rich? Have you got a little bit too much money saved up and you want to spice up your life? Because what better way to live than having no money for food and rent? It really snaps you back into reality. So many people online are telling you can get rich quick by day tradings or getting ripped off on other scam courses. But why would you spend all of that time when you can get rid of all of your money quickly and permanently? Well, shockingly, there are a lot of people out there that do live this way, and I'm going to show you how with my 5-step guide on how to never get rich that is guaranteed to ruin your life. Let's get into it. The first ingenious move on your road to being poor forever is impulse spending. Why save for a rainy day when you can buy things you don't need, like NFTs, loot boxes, or that one guy on TikTok that buys rocks? Watch your savings vanish before your eyes and become an advertiser's dream. Buy it now. You know you want that 15 seconds of dopamine in this depressing world we're living in. The second step. Live beyond your means. Why spend your hard-earned cash on things you can't afford when you can get a credit card from the bank and spend their money instead? Up your ass, capitalism. Simply sign up for one of these credit cards and watch the money roll in. And always remember, the higher the percentage on the ad, the more money you get. So go big or go home. And don't worry about paying it back. You might win the lottery someday, and if you don't, that's future you's problem, so don't worry about that. And while we're on the topic, just remember, there's no easier way to earn money than gambling it. And don't take it from me, take it from the streamers and YouTubers that get paid by stake.com to advertise it. I'm sure they don't have any motivation behind that. And like my dad always says, 99% of gamblers always quit before they win big, so do it now. Step 3. Financial planning? Who cares about that? Throw those budgets out the window. You never know what life could throw at you, so you're better off living day by day, just in case you need that money. And never look at your bank balance, because that's depressing. And we're already living in a depressing world, so why would you want to make yourself more sad? Do what I do, and spend all your money on the little things, just to make yourself a little bit happier, because you deserve it, Queen. Slay. Social media has taken over, and anyone who is anyone is making it big over there. So remember to always prioritize your image over anything else in this 4th step. If social media is the ordinary person's highlight reel, then make your life a movie. Buy things that make other people look at you and be like, oh yeah, they have power and money. Because, as everybody tells you, money makes more money. So the more you spend, the more you'll get later on. Buy that Rolex, buy that holiday, buy that Mercedes, and make sure you ram it down the highway so everybody knows you're better than them. Because if they don't, what was the point of getting it? Now, I know this video seems satire, but I want to get serious for a second. This 5th step is the real deal breaker. If you hate your job and don't understand why there are people that are more successful than you, just remember, it's all luck, baby. You just had a bad dice roll in life, and you should envy anybody that's better than you because they just got lucky and they don't deserve that. It's coming to you eventually. So, I really don't suggest wasting your time on getting healthy, learning high income skills, and educating yourself so you have a more positive worldview, because that would be very bad. And I definitely don't think you should do that. Because those self-improvement idiots who always say the quickest way to depression is through no opportunity don't understand the struggles of those unlucky men and women that live in society. So I definitely wouldn't bother doing any of those steps. So there you have it, the definitive guide on how to keep yourself poor. With these 5 steps, you'll be living the anti-wealth dream, which is what every capitalist doesn't want you to do. But remember, if you want to change your life, reading books, watching helpful YouTube channels, and acting on goals that you set for yourself are a waste of time. Don't do that. Watch something useful like the other videos on my channel. And like this video if you would recommend it to a friend. And as always, never ever take 1 step a day towards your dreams. Thank you for watching.